How many times do we hear that if I do this or if I do a good, what difference that will make because everyone else is doing bad? How many times we want to do something which we feel is right or which we feel from our core that this is what I am and this is who I should be. But we stop ourselves thinking that everyone else is not doing the same. Then what difference does it make that I do it? How many times do we feel that I should go and help this person, but we don't do it because others are not doing? Be the person to break this chain. Be the person who would want to operate from his being. Be the person who you are. And that's where your health, your goodness, your being lies. And that's how you inspire others to be what they are. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here. I'm a health coach and my mission is to create a healthy world. And hence I make series of video which speaks not only about healthy body but about healthy mind. So starting from there, be the person to break the chain. And what is this chain about? It's about operating or functioning or rather being from your own being. Operating or action that you do in your everyday life is from your being and not from your pain. If you're the person who was hurt by somebody shaming you, then be the person who has compassion. If you were rejected, then give acceptance. If you were not understood, then give understanding. Operate from by being a person, the person who you needed when you were hurt, and not becoming the person who hurt you. Your pain should heal you and rise you above your pain. Operate from your heart and from your being, and not from the pain that has made you bitter. Be the person who will heal and rise above his pain, and do and be the person whom you needed when you were hurt, and not the person who hurt you. So, choose understanding, acceptance, compassion, gratitude for what life has given you, because you're today more healthier and stronger and better because of that pain which has come in your way. And understand that during that time you needed somebody, and so you can be the person who can be that person to somebody. So, when I say that we don't have to choose pain, we have to choose our being, which means everyone inside us has that Buddha, that God, that goodness inside us, which every time speaks to us. Remember in these movies where we see two voices, which one is a good voice and one is bad voice? Earlier when I was a kid, I used to feel foolish seeing that. I was like, how on earth do you have a two voice inside your head? But that's the truth. There is always a voice which tells you, let's do this. This is something which will bring peace and joy to others, or which I would feel good about doing. And there's a voice which will say, why should you do it? Everyone else is just standing there. Why should you be the one, and you should be the one who is getting into this, and then you'll take a lot of hassle. So, goodness and when you see philosophical books, it's about God and evil speaking at the same time in your head. You have the choice to be the person you are. Become who you are, and don't become a person who you are not. Many times, a body shows symptom because a mind is ill. A mind is full of a lot of negative thoughts. Means what? It is something which pulls your energy down. Whether it is jealousy, whether it is hatred, whether it is anger, any of those emotions are your own. You can accept them, they are your own. But understand that if they are pulling your energy down, these are not doing any good to your own self. You got to be compassionate to your own self. Don't allow yourself to be pulled down by any such thoughts which is going to make you feel sick. So, first compassion comes to yourself, the first love comes to yourself. Choosing love, understanding over the bitterness and hatred is not only something that you will do to for others and the environment that you create around you, but your own self. And then that's where the strength and the power and the energy that will bloom out inside you will be shown on your face and outside too. The beauty that comes with you, the beauty that reflects and radiates on your face is usually needs to be and is that is coming from inside. When you glow from inside, everything else looks the way you are. So choose to be the person you are and see your life will change. And that's how the transformation happens in everyone's life. I would say, don't wait for the transformation. Just reflect inside. You will find a beautiful you out there. And just be that person. Everything else do radiate what are you inside. Everything else around you is a projection of just what you are. So be that person. You will see everything else is attracted to you the way you want you to be. The life is all about living in this moment, in this present moment, and living it happily through your whole being. Hope this video added some value to you. Be the person you are. That's my tagline of this video. And I hope that reached out to you. And I feel very happy when people comment and let me know that this made their life and how peaceful they feel. That brings peace within me. That's how everyone out of us are responsible not only for our peace but for the peace of others. Saying so, see you soon and do write in the comment section. Stay tuned. Thank you.